All right, Logan, how did it taste?
Yeah, Logan.
You have a peanut
Now
chip.
I have to taste this.
It's good.
How's it taste, young
What out of 10? What out of 10?
I'll give it a 9.
Why is he?
All right, Macaulay.
Macaulay, you have to-
How does it taste, Macaulay? How's the food taste? How do you rate it?
0. No.
0.
Hey,
0.
hey, that's very rude. Well, first I gotta taste this other one.
I mean, hey, free food.
I'm gonna taste this kind of Asian. What happened? What happened? That's why I didn't get that.
Zeb. How does it taste, Zeb?
I only had a cracker. I don't know.
How does it taste? How does the cracker taste?
Good.
Good. Hey, how do you rate it? How do you rate it, Zeb? How do you rate that, Zeb? How does it taste?
Bro, yours. I'm gonna give it a 2. The cracker, the falafel. I'm gonna give it a 5.7. What the
5.7. All right.
But there's one. No, because the place in Brentwood I go to is actually pretty good.
How do you rate it?
Because I gotta go to what's it called? Wait, what's the falafel house in Brentwood I go to? Exactly that's.
How about you, Nathan?
I haven't had it. I'm not going.
How do you rate it?
No, you said it's not bad though. I give it like a 5, like a 6.
A 6. All right. Ow. It's Mateo's turn. All right, Mateo, how do you rate the food? How do you rate the food?
I got some of the goat milk. You know, I tasted it. It tasted kind of weird. You know, it was actually not the greatest, but I got this thing right here. Let's try it.
I did. No. But you did say something.
How's it taste?
It tastes pretty good.
How do you rate it?
Just like the meat. I'll give that an 8 out of 10.
That's all right.